Hey guys, I am here that I want to tell you about that I have a skin. I know the skin looks like weird stuff, but it has a bunny. It has a bunny. For now, I'm gonna wear this for Christmas, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I've been here a long time. How many berries I have? Oh, 61. I only had a little bit of time then. Oh, there's people. I put peaceful. There's people. This one's people. I can't talk that good. Let's go get going. Yep. This part. No! I hate that part. Okay. How about I try? Not gonna work. Not even gonna work. Oh well. Oh. Let's get going. There we go. Okay, let's go sleep. Sleep. Come on. Come on. I just want to go to another world. So I'm gonna go to another world so I can show you something new that I show you that I built pixel art. Actually, it's actually a map. I got a map that's pixel art and I like it. I like it a lot. So let's go to another world. Oh my gosh. I want to say that I'm going to change my skin for now. But I want to tell you something. If I click Alex, she's taller. She is tall. And then I go to my skin. They are taller than me. Tall. Tall. I pick another skin. Let's do that. And they are taller. They are taller. Oh wow. We are back at this. So I changed my skin again. Just like to change my skin. Every time. So let's go check this world. Pixel art. So I want to tell you that my first one, the cat, is the one that's in front of me. This one. So cute. They have those fluffy things. Like, yeah, they have big things right here because it's too fluffy. But I like the tail. I did build this, and look at that. It looks like kind of wrapping thing, but it's supposed to be a ball or something that cats likes. Yeah, that's my first one. And also, tell my comments that you like this one. Let's go check the face. Oh, so cute. So cute. Tell my comments. This one looks so cute. Is it cute or not? The second one I built is this cat. It has the hat. It has Christmas stuff. It has clothes. Has these shoes in the front, like in the back. Tail again, like the same. And this is the second one. And tell me in comments that you like the second one. And let's get the third one. The third one is this one. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look at that hat. So cute. Oops. Sorry for tapping. Anyways, so I did is that it was skinny, like it was like I put it like skinny like that, and then I put it flat in the back, and then the bottom it's fluffiness, and then I started thinking that I should put red wool or clothes on it. So clothes, it's on it. So that's a cutie. It's so cute. And the feet are like walking. So tell me in the comments which one you like. First one, the second one, or the third one. Because I like, my favorite one is, oops, YouTuber. Oh, someone left my comment. Sorry, just that. This YouTuber, I like this YouTuber. She had toys. Like, maybe you should subscribe her. Because I forgot to subscribe to Roxy. I don't know her. Come on. Trying to look in the comments. No! My phone is not working that good. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I kind of like the skin. I kind of like the other one. I always have a lot of skin. I have a lot of skin. I think I got 40 skins or 20, 30. I think it's 30 now. So I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you like my video, or like leave a like for my skin. If you like my skin, that means you sorry. If you leave a like, that means you like my skin. Leave it down if you hate my skin. That's a horrible idea. Snap, 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 snap. I can't really snap. I'm not good at snapping. I'm the littlest one in my family, I guess. So we're just gonna exit. And oh my gosh. Oh my god. Little Gladia. See my skin. If I click Steve, it's taller. Why everything had to be tall? What happened? I click this one. They are tall. The tallest one that I know. Why everything has to be tall? I mean, big people. So hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Also, my two friends are Carlos and That's my mom. She actually didn't play that much Goodcraft. So yeah. So yeah, I might gonna play with Carlos. I might play with my mom. She's not good at games. She doesn't like games at all. Not even once. My dad likes to play the Xbox. He likes to play Xbox of soccer.